Welcome to Network Professionals, the Cisco Networking Academy, your perfect training and certification partner. We offer online and offline international certification courses like IT Essentials, Networking, Cybersecurity, Network Security, and Cloud Computing. Our today's topic is about DNS and DNS attacks, DNS spoofing, amplification, tunneling, domain hijacking, DNS reflection, and other DNS attacks. DNS, Domain Name System, attacks exploit vulnerabilities in the DNS infrastructure, which translates domain names, like example.com, into IP addresses. These attacks aim to disrupt, intercept, or redirect user traffic. Here are the main types of DNS attacks. DNS spoofing. Attacker injects false DNS records into a resolver's cache, redirecting users to malicious sites. Impact. Users are tricked into visiting fraudulent websites, often leading to phishing or malware distribution. DNS amplification attack. Description. A type of DDoS, distributed denial of service, attack that leverages open DNS resolvers to overwhelm a target with large amounts of traffic. Impact. The target's servers are rendered unavailable due to excessive traffic. Encodes non-DNS traffic, e.g., HTTP, into DNS queries, often used for data exfiltration or command and control, C2, communication. Impact. Sensitive data can be stolen or malicious actions executed covertly. An attacker gains unauthorized control over a domain by compromising its registrar account or exploiting vulnerabilities. Impact. The domain can be redirected, defaced, or taken offline. Similar to amplification attacks, but it uses spoofed requests to make the DNS server send responses to the victim's IP address. Impact. Overwhelms the victim's server, causing service disruptions. Overwhelms DNS resolvers by sending a high volume of queries for non-existent domains. Impact. Depletes server resources, causing legitimate requests to fail. Inundates a DNS server with a high volume of queries to exhaust its resources. Impact. The DNS server to crash or become unresponsive. An attacker intercepts and manipulates DNS traffic between the user and the resolver. Impact. Users are redirected to malicious sites, potentially leading to credential theft or malware infections. Attackers compromise a domain registrar's system to alter DNS records or transfer domain ownership. Impact. Entire domains can be taken over or redirected. Registering domains that resemble legitimate ones, e.g., google.com instead of google.com, to exploit user typos. Impact. Users can be redirected to phishing sites or exposed to ads, malware. Frequently changing IP addresses in DNS records to avoid detection and takedown. Impact. Used for botnets, phishing, and other malicious activities. Impact. Used for botnets, phishing, and other mitigation strategies. DNSSEC, Domain Name System Security Extensions, adds cryptographic signatures to DNS records. Rate limiting. Limits the number of queries a DNS server can process per client. Monitoring and logging. Tracks DNS activity for anomalies. Firewalls and access control. Blocks malicious traffic and restricts open resolvers. Patch management. Keeps DNS server software up to date, malicious activities.